WhatsApp, and the very first thing we are going to do is our WhatsApp impressions. All right, so we are going to use a clear profile picture, a simple description, and a clear promise. So let me head over to my WhatsApp now, and let's do the practical and showing you how you can do it step by step. So once you are here, you go to this place, that arrow, just mash it, then another one, you pick setting. All right, you press setting. When you press setting, and here is everything. All right, so right now we want to deal with your profile first. So you click on your profile. So once you click on your profile, it will take you to this place. So I have actually monetized, I've actually do this one, but I'm going to do some certain things. This is old picture, you can see the way it look, so I'm going to change it. So the first thing is going to change your what is it called, your cover page. So you press there. When you press there, you press your gallery. So when you press your, for the sake of this thing, I just made a picture, I just do it. Okay, so I'm going to bring that one in, and I say okay, it's loading now, it's loading, updating. So another thing we are going to do is our profile picture. The profile picture is good, but it's not as I want, and it is the same profile picture that I am going to use actually, but I'm just going to make it more okay. All right, so I'm just going to make it more okay. All right, so you can see the way I see it now. You will see that difference will change. All right, look at it. You can see the way it comes out very well. It's very pure. So this is where you put your name or the name of your business. The name here is called, I put this here, but I just want to put Michael here. So if you have another name, you can just, there are two WhatsApp. We have business WhatsApp. This one is business WhatsApp. You can just put, like, let's assume I'm content creator, I can just put Michael Studio. So I just put Michael Studio, and I will save it. All right, and I'll save it. And anybody that comes to my DM will see that my name is Michael Studio. So this page is not for chatting alone, it's for business. All right, so this one is what do you do. This one is what do you do. Look at it. This one is what do you do. Your own may be, let me see, your own may be category. All right, your own may be category. If you are into arts, if you are into beauty, if you are into education, finance, drugstore, hotel, medical, non-profit, anything at all, just, if there is not there, you can just type for it, book. You can just type it, book. Okay, bookstore. You can just, all these things, just type it. All right, you can just type marketer agency, but just selling online. All right, all these things, self story. You can just start and you pick anyone that you want. So for the sake of this thing, I am going to pick, let me pick one. I am an author, so I write book. Let me pick a bookstore, and another one. Let me pick a marketer, because I run ad actually, internet marketer. All right, so let me put the two, and I will save it. All right, I will save it. So once I save it, the next thing is my hours. So I'm going to do this. So you click on select. So this one is on Monday. Which time you open on Monday? Which time you close on Monday? You could just put your time. Maybe you open 10 a.m. I just check just 10 a.m. When you open 10 a.m., you close by what? They are made by 5 o'clock in the evening. So you put it there. You can see it's changed. You can just check any of the day. So if you are not on, like me, I don't used to work on Sunday, so it's closed. All right, so you can just press save anyone, and if you work on Sunday, you are going to go. So now this is your description. Okay, this is your description. All right, so if you don't know how to write description, this one that you do here now is nonsense. And I just do it because I know to use this one for marketing. All right, I will soon be using it. So you can just go to ChatGPT. Let me see ChatGPT. So let's go to ChatGPT and let's see what we can do. So you can just say, write a high converting WhatsApp business profile description for me, and under it you put your service. Maybe I am author. Okay, I write book about relationship. That's what I do. Okay, about relationship. All right, so you can just say I am an advertiser. I run ad on Facebook, Instagram, Google. You can just mention them. All right, others. I just mention them, and another one you can just just put anything you want, okay? Anything you know that you are doing, put it and send it. So once you send it, and ChatGPT is going to bring the most expensive and the high one that you can do. All right. Give me this. I'm just going to copy it. And I will paste it here. All right. And you can just type save. And here, if you see anybody that comes here will read this and know exactly what I am doing. And here you can just put your street, your location, and this is where it gets sweeter. This is your catalog. So if you have book, if you are watching my video, you will see. If you have book, you will see them. I have book. This is our book. So you just add new item, and you click here. You can just bring your picture. I think I have this one book, the voice of marriage. Okay, this one book. All right. So I can just put the name, put the price, put the description. All right. I can just say I can put the link here, or if I don't want to put the link, I can just leave it. So anybody that click on this thing, it will take them to my own here. So we can talk about the product. Okay. So you can just hit save. All right. Save. When you put your name, you are just hit save. So I'm not going to do that because I don't want this video to be long. So here, under here, you can link your you can link your WhatsApp website, any website I told that you have, you can link it here. All right. So I'm just going to remove this one because this one is no longer function. All right. So you can link your Instagram. So once you link you can just copy this thing, bring it here. So Facebook page, you can link it. So you can put your email here. You can put your phone number. You can just write your about you, anything. You can just write anything about you. So here you can just write I help. Let me put my own this thing. I say write a short about me for my profile. All right, for my profile. Yeah, I send it, a very short one. It will give me a very short one. Let me see. Maybe I will see a shorter one. A very short. Okay. All right. So I'll put it here, and I will drop it there. All right. Okay. This one is kind of much. Okay. Let me drop it there. All right. And it is safe. All right. So it is safe, and my profile picture is now optimized. All right. It's all is full. Everything is full optimized. So this is. So now let's talk about quick reply label. So in order to label anybody, all right, so you will click on that person profile. So let's say I want to label the brother who is my friend. So once I click on it, you can see mark. Then I will click on this one. All right. So when I click on this one, I can just add a name label. If that person is customer, I can just say new customer. If that person make new order, if that person never pay, those that paid, all these things you can just. So if that person is a new friend, any tour, you can just write customer, Facebook customer. You can just put it there, and that you can just save. So Deborah name has become a Facebook customer. All right, and you can see the purple sign there that shows that she is a Facebook customer. So let's go another one, which is quick reply. So in order to have a quick reply, you come to this place called tools, and they also call it automated. So come to tools. So when you come to tools, you will see greeting message, away reply, and quick reply. So I'm going to teach you the three at the same time. So the greeting message is for new customer. The reply away message is reply automatically when you are away. A quick reply is reused frequently. So let's go to the first one. Now, in order to do this, you will click on here. You may actually, if you are not customize your own, you will see a different thing here. So you will just press this place, and you will type whatever you want to type. Okay, so you can just type welcome to my world. How can I help you? Okay, so you can just put this. So whenever anybody at all message you for the first time or after 14 days, this message will automatically send to the person. All right, and you don't have to press save. So when you save, that is done. So a way message is, if they can't answer you and you are not there, which message you normally give them. So here you can just say, okay, for contacting us, we get back to you soon. So you can just put this one here and you keep it. So you send it like this. Whenever your new message are sent and someone reply you, this one will do what? This one will reply the person. So you tell the person that you are not around now, you will come. So the person will know. So under here, you can just put new message. All right. You can only put a word. All right. Under the shortcut, you can only put a word. Maybe the word is question. I just say question. And here you can say, thank you for the interaction. We will see you soon. All right, and you will do what? You will save it, and this will be a quick message. That is how you set up your quick message. So I don't want this to be long. And there is another thing I want to show you, which is Telegram.